Okay, beach day. Charles and I are going to the beach today, so I'm gonna get ready. I have my makeup all here. That's where we're at today. I'll see you when I get this. Okay, I have to let my daughter in, and then I'll see you when the makeup's done. Okay, makeup is done. Now I need to put on an outfit, pack my bag, and then I want to make a sandwich and put some snacks in the cooler, and then I'm done. I'm just waiting for Chelsea. Okay, I don't know if I want to wear bathing suit bottoms or if I just want to wear bathing suit top. Because it's not like I'm actually like gonna get in the water, I don't think. But I do have these shorts. I think I'm just gonna wear this, and then I'm gonna wear my jorts, and I'm not sure what top. I have this one that I was planning on wearing, but I don't know. Something feels like it's missing from the outfit, and I don't know what it is. I think I'm just overthinking it for no reason. But yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, here's the fit. You can't even see me, but it's the shirt I got at the fair that I had to cut, and it's not like super stretchy in this like area, but I think it's cute. For today, I have my fake Birkenstocks on, the jorts, and then I have all of these little hair clips. I think I like that it's like the same like airbrush effect, and then Nana gave me these ones, so I'm just gonna take them and see what I come up with. But yeah, I didn't put any bottoms on, swim bottoms. I just put this on because yeah, like I'm not gonna get in the water, I don't think. I mean, who knows, never say never. Might like jump in and drown, but for the most part I don't think I'm getting in the water. So yeah, now time to pack everything.
My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace I can find.
We made it! I can't. So windy. I have to hold my hand out so far. What? What'd you say? Stand behind me.
That one's bright.
Ugh, so annoying. You and your bestie are opposites? Wait, hold on. We love. Dinner. Let me see. We love. I don't think you can really see, but guess what? we're gonna deal with it anyway. Opening. Well, that's too close. Okay. Hi, hey, hello. Up my nose. Opening my fortune. Have you ever gotten a fortune and then I didn't have a fortune?
That would be me as a fortune cookie.
I think it's happened to me before.
Why am I getting anxious?
I dropped my cookie! Okay. I can't get both of us, I don't think.
Oh, way too dark.
No. Okay. Mine says stay calm through chaos. Aww.
I'm gonna say no. I didn't say anything! No, I'm just kidding.
Shut up.
Any doubts you have will soon disappear. Can I disappear?
Yeah.
Any doubts you have will soon disappear.
Interesting.